Do you know what to do if your dog starts to choke on food? It can be a scary time, but knowing what to look for and acting fast can really help. First, you need to know what choking looks like in dogs. Your dog might start coughing, trying to get rid of what's stuck. They might also find it hard to breathe in, and you can hear this as a weird, wheezing sound. Other signs can be your dog scratching at their mouth or head because they feel uncomfortable or upset. It's really worrying if your dog looks scared or very worried. This usually happens because they are frightened and stressed when they can't breathe. Remember, these signs might not all happen at once, and sometimes they might not be very clear. So it's important to always watch your pet's behavior. If you see any of these signs, you need to act right away. Now, you know what to look for when your pet is choking. So what should you do first? If you see your pet choking, you should try and look inside their mouth. But be careful. A scared dog might bite you even if they don't mean to. If you can see what's stuck, try to take it out slowly. If you have tweezers or something similar, use them. But if you can't get the thing out or it's stuck really deep, don't keep trying. You could push it down more and make things worse. During times like these, you need to act fast and take your dog to the closest emergency vet. These vets have the right tools and know-how to deal with emergencies. But what if you can't get to a vet quickly? Maybe you're far away, or it's late at night. In that case, the next thing to try is the Heimlich maneuver. We'll teach you about that next. Remember, when your pet is choking, you need to act fast. If you can't get the object out, it's time to go to the vet or try the Heimlich maneuver. This can save your dog's life, just like it can for people. Here's how you do it. Start by standing in the right spot. If your dog is small, gently lift them onto their back legs and stand behind them as if you're slow dancing together. For big dogs, they can stay on all four legs, but you need to stand or kneel behind them. Then, put your hands under the rib cage, but don't press on the ribs. You're aiming for the soft belly area. Make a fist with one hand and put it here, then cover your fist with your other hand. Now you have to push. Push hard, inwards and upwards, like you're trying to lift your dog up. If your dog is big and standing on all fours, wrap your hands around their belly and push and forwards. Remember, you're trying to push air up through your dog's body to get rid of what's stuck. Be firm, but not too hard. You don't want to hurt them. Repeat this several times if you need to, but stop if your dog faints or if the object is out. After getting the object out, make sure to check your dog's mouth for any other items left. After your dog chokes, even if you clear the blockage, it's still important to call a vet. This is because there could be harm to the throat that only a vet can check and treat. Now let's talk about how to stop choking from happening in the first place. One of the easiest ways to stop choking is to watch your dog closely when they're playing with things that could get stuck in their throat. Toys can be fun, but some might break and cause a problem if they're not strong enough. Also, when you feed your dog, you can do things to stop choking. It's not just about what food they eat, but also how big the food is. Yes, size is important. Giving your dog food that's the right size for them can really help stop choking. And remember, stopping a problem before it happens is always the best solution. So watch your dog closely and make sure their toys and food are the right size for them. Remember, stopping a problem before it happens is always the best way. Watch your dog closely and make sure their toys and food are the right size.